Melbourne's population is growing quickly and will reach 6.5 million by 2050. This area is predicted to grow 50% faster than Melbourne as a whole. But is Melbourne's ageing infrastructure coping now, and will it in the future? Melbourne's northern councils banded together to find out.
Our figures indicate that almost for every $2 that's been invested in the east primarily, and to a lesser extent the southeast, there's been about $1 invested in the north.
I don't think there was any disagreement that there was significant, or there is significant infrastructure shortcomings. I think it's more, what are the priority projects? But then we also did an analysis of comparing the northern region to the west, the east and the south. The north had the greatest road congestion. The significance of that, I don't think we should be underestimated, because when we went and spoke to all the different senior leaders who represent both local government and business in Melbourne's north, transport congestion, transport was the number one issue that they all spoke about.
A level crossing on an arterial road like this one at Bell Street, Preston, is a 19th century answer to a 21st century transport problem. Every train brings east-west traffic to a frustrating halt. This doesn't just affect Darebin, it's a problem for everyone who travels across Melbourne's north. The north needs great separation so that roads and rail can both work properly and safely.
Our residents are being denied access to roads and public transport. Drivers are forced onto Cooper Street, where I'm standing right now, to get onto the Hume Highway. Our population is growing and Melbourne's wholesale fruit and vegetable market will soon move down the road, meaning more trucks. Residents deserve a second point of access to the Hume Highway at O'Hearns Road to reduce the traffic.
Anyone who catches the tram in Melbourne's inner north at peak hour knows they're absolutely packed. Sometimes it's impossible to even get on. Better and more frequent trams would benefit public transport users and drivers alike. Improved services will get more people using public transport, taking cars off our roads and reducing traffic. It would be a win-win for all.
Here we are at Wallan train station, and as one of the fastest growing communities in our shire, if not Victoria, demands on our public transport are going to increase exponentially. We're going to be needing more trains, better frequency of trains, and we're also going to need better connectivity to our bus services.
This is one of Nillumbik's most important pieces of infrastructure, the shared trail. Currently it's the trail that goes nowhere. We need to extend these trails. It's very important for the community.
The City of Yarra has Australia's highest proportion of commuter cyclists. Just look how busy our bike lanes are. We need better, safer bike routes to keep up with demand and encourage more people to ride. It's good for our environment and our health.
In terms of the social infrastructure, we looked at, across all the different categories, where is the greatest demand. So our number one social infrastructure is about aged care places. Coupled with this, we've also seen significant population growth in Melbourne's north, and therefore we're going to need a whole range of social infrastructure services, whether it be health or education related.
The Northern Hospital at Epping is almost at capacity. With over 70,000 residents moving to the city of Hume, I have to ask myself, where will my residents go if they experience a medical emergency?
In other parts of the north, more needs to be made of existing institutions.
We've got great education, research and health facilities in the area. We have the Austin Hospital behind me and La Trobe University and RMIT to the north. We need to link these institutions together with local businesses to create jobs for the north.
La Trobe is excited about working with other knowledge-based organisations, including the Austin Hospital and RMIT, to create jobs in education, research, industry and health. We're a world-class university in teaching and research and have an important role to play in helping Melbourne's north grow stronger.
I think it dovetails beautifully with Plan Melbourne. I actually feel that it actually puts the North in a position where clearly we know what we're about, we're working regionally, we know the projects are going to benefit the North as well as Melbourne as a whole. None of the projects that are listed I think would be of any great surprise, but nevertheless they're ones which I think will really help Plan Melbourne in its implementation.